Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at this red, gorgeous 55 Bel Air. It's definitely been redone, as you can tell from the interior shots. But man, this thing, it drives really nice, it's comfortable, and it's got a lot of curb appeal.
Yes, it does.
Yeah, it's a pretty car.
It's a beauty.
Body's in very good condition, paint is in very good condition, chrome as well. You don't have any type of scratches, denting, pittings. Just a very pretty car. Only thing that I was able to find really on this, and this is kind of a nitpick, is just right here, a little bit of that white paint was touched up. But other than that, she's beautiful. An absolutely gorgeous car. I know I'm a pretty big guy, I'm 6'2", and fitting it pretty good, as you would imagine. Got that nice steering wheel, which is a tilt, which is always nice getting in and out. I love this little red dice. These do come with the vehicle. But anyway, let's stop gawking. Let's go drive her, yeah?
Sounds good.
B&M shifter here, about to go for a cruise. One thing you'll notice that our guy is going a little crazy here, but these do work. Our gauges are functioning. We have tested them, and we'll be getting that fixed with our seller. See how she drives though. Shifted really smooth. No type of chugging.
Brake test.
Brakes are good. Power steering feels good. Yeah, I mean she's a big girl. She drives real nice.
Love the Chevy.
Yeah, that is kind of a cool touch.
But yeah, it's real clean, real clean.
Alright guys,
super classic.
We're gonna head back to the shop and get her in the air, show the underbelly, and we'll see when she's up on the lift.
Alright. Thanks so much, Ryan.